Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to share 3 of my favorite charts in no particular order. The first one that I happen to have up is Netflix, and you will notice that at the very least all 3 of these have some very similar themes. When we're taking a look at Netflix, the main thing that I'm looking at is that we're starting to develop a squeeze. It can always be tricky when you get a stock that's trading up near these new all-time highs to say, when are we looking at situations where we're expecting a push to another new high versus maybe just time to consolidate or trade sideways for a bit, and the squeeze can be very helpful in that way. So you can see where we had the squeeze previously, its relationship to the 21 EMA, and the ultimate results of that. So in the same way, I'm looking for this signal to result in a new high. It may come down and spend a little bit of time consolidating in this zone prior to that, so I'm focusing on the option series that will expire next Friday and expect that that will give me enough time to let those signals play through. A couple others. LRCX is a old favorite. I know I've mentioned it in the free video here a couple of times, and it's got another setup. Now of course you never want to put too much weight on any one given trade, but it is worth going back and looking at the previous instances where we have seen squeezes here also. All exactly the same concept. Pulling back into the 21 EMA during a squeeze, looking to sell it on the pop to the next high. Right here you have the exact same pattern. Here, and now, currently. So same thing with Netflix, where, if you look at the indexes and you say, gosh, the S&Ps are so extended here, it's crazy to buy them. That's a fair argument. But don't focus on buying those markets. Focus on buying some of these that may still have some room to the upside. The last one that I wanted to leave you with was Ulta. And this one's a little trickier as we are heading into earnings, but tickers like this, where even if you're looking to just make a couple of bucks on a push to a new high, if Ulta is to gap down tomorrow or open soft at all, just keep in mind that we are only about $1.50 away from an all-time high. So if you can buy something on weakness, try to catch that when it's inside its daily squeeze for a push to new highs. Those are the type of stocks that I'm trying to take advantage of in this market. So I hope you found that helpful. One other thing that I wanted to make sure that you are aware of is the Gold Treasure Map. This is a course that David Starr and Neil Yeager are going to be doing, and I'm really excited about it. I think it's great to be able to combine 2 of the minds that I've learned so much from in this way of trading, and I think it'll be a really great class. So if that's something you're interested in, focusing primarily on gold futures, this would be a good course for you. This is going to be February 22nd from 6 to 9, and then like we do with most of ours, there'll be the instruction part and then the strategy where you get to watch it live, and I've always felt that helps at least make it click. So I'm looking forward to that. If it's something you're interested in, you'll be able to sign up after this video, and if there's anything else I can do to help, please let me know.